YouTube, the goal here today is to rebuild and replace 2 of these in their entirety, which, as you can see, we've got some decorative 2x2s. You know, we got 4-inch pickets here, some 2x. It's an intricate gate, so I'm gonna get started building the frame of 2x4s. Okay, so the customer had 2 of these gates identically, and I didn't love the design style. So the first one I rebuilt in a way that has a more comprehensive frame, and the second one I decided to build exactly like it was, just to showcase the difference to the customer, because they're not very big gates. They don't hold a lot of weight. So on this one, I assembled the square frame first. It's got an end grain screw as well as a toe-nailed screw in every corner. Here we're mounting the hinges. I just rudimentarily just hang the frame so that I can start working on it and kind of get something square. Start seeing what we're looking at. I then take some 4-inch untreated pine pickets, because this gate will be stained. You know, I put them on maybe every 5th to 8th picket all level, and then just match the gaps at the bottom. I cut out all the tops to match the existing fence around it, being careful not to overcut too deep into the 2x4. I put up our decorative 2-inch dowels. This part was actually quite tedious. This took me a minute. This was also the hottest part of the day. Got it done anyway. Setting the screw in the top of each 2-inch dowel. Using an existing dowel that I had spare to make sure they were all evenly spaced and plumb with one another. I think these turned out pretty good. I then put on the 1x4 and the 1x6 trim bezel ribbon board, I guess, whatever you want to call it. This gate's already starting to look pretty smooth. Here's another tough part. I got to notch out quite a bit of wood from 3 or 4 different boards in order to clearance the latch, because I built it tight for privacy's sake. You don't want to leave a big gap. As much as that makes the latch easier, it's not a great look. So I'm just sitting here with a hammer and a saw, just kind of notching a spot for the latch to sit. That's not something I would recommend you do if you don't have a lot of reps with the skill saw. And this second gate, other than the frame being different, I built it pretty much just like the first one. So if you liked this video, thought it was short, sweet, you got some enjoyment out of it, watch one of my other videos, like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it around. Appreciate your time.